Magandang araw. Yes, sana magandang araw ninyo po. This video is for those who are asking how to check if a company is registered sa SEC. I'm making this video short and simple para ma-check natin kung registered ba ang company sa SEC or hindi. I will be using Google. Okay, let me share my screen. Now open in Google ko. Alright, so first thing is to look for ayan, sec.gov.ph. You have to type that. Okay, that's the first thing, sec.gov.ph. And from there, syempre pag di natin alam, that's why we're making this guide. Di natin alam, di ba? Dami-dami kasi buttons dito. So let's go to online services. Okay, online services, and go down to SEC Express system. Yeah, SEC Express system, and then click. All right, so click, and then nakita natin meron itong yan, yung link. Please click. Okay, so click natin. Click natin. Okay. So, and then it will lead us to another site. So, ito yung Securities and Exchange Commission SEC. May home, order, payment, check status fact. Meron tayo dito, itong order. Yan yung i-click natin, order. Okay, click order. And then, ayan, nakalagay company name or SEC registration number. So, either that, either the company name or the registration number. And then ito yung search button niya. So, example para makita natin yung registration. So, ano bang meron dito? For example, I'm sorry sa mga examples. For example, International Marketing Group. Check natin. May examples tayo dito na makikita natin. Ayan. So, but it doesn't mean nakikita o hindi, medyo. But it's maybe one important thing na yan, registered niya sa SEC. Okay. Well, IMG registered siya sa SEC. Okay, and let's search for ano pang meron tayo dito. Let's see, this one. This company, if you're familiar with this, JC Premier. Let's search this. Kung meron ba to sa SEC. Meron din siya. Okay. So, registered siya. Let's try for other companies. Let's have, meron ako nakita dito. Ito, let's try this. Oh, this one, also registered. But it's RABZ Ventures Incorporated. I'm not sure kung magkaparehas to. Pero, ganun lang pag-check. If ang company is registered sa SEC. But it doesn't guarantee na because kikita mo naman, actually, bakit kayo nagtatanong kung registered sa SEC ang isang company? You just want to make sure na hindi kayo madadali, di ba? Pero kita nyo naman yung mga bigate na dumali sa mga Pilipino before. May mga registration yun sa SEC. So it doesn't guarantee. But you can see, it's not just the SEC registration. It's more than that. Ayan lang po. And I hope you've learned something. Thank you.